Hello friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today, we're going to be drawing an apple. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. We're going to start with this little line where the stem comes from. So this is just a little smile line. That'll draw just a little curved line like that, all right? And next we'll do our stem. So you can make your stem however long or short you want it to be. I'm going to make mine pretty long because I want to add a leaf to it, and I'm going to give it two sides to my stem. All right, now let's do the sides of our apple. And this is a bigger curved line. You're going to start kind of halfway up your stem, right, and curve that line around towards the bottom. Then you can pause. Good. And if I'm ever going too quickly, remember you can always pause the video. All right, so I'm going to curve around to the other side. And apples usually have a little dip down at the bottom, so you can add that dip down line. All right, how's your apple looking? Pretty simple, right? Okay, so for the leaf, it's going to grow off of our stem. And you can have it on this side or the other side. It doesn't matter. You can come down a little bit and do a long line that comes off like that. That's going to be the middle of the leaf. All right, that's going to be kind of that middle vein line. So now we'll do another curved line. We'll start here and bring over one side of our leaf. Nice. And then we'll start in the same place and curve our line this way for the other side of the leaf. Beautiful. All right, details. We can add some lines for the veins of our leaf. Love that. You could add a little kind of a circle here for the top of the stem. Guys, that looks pretty amazing. Now, your apple may not look exactly like my apple, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're having fun and learning to draw. Now, you could add some color. I've got some colored pencils here that I'm going to use, but you could use markers, or you could use crayons, or you could use paint, whatever you've got on hand. I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can stop at the end if you want to see and match my colors. I'm going to do a red apple. Coloring, especially a fruit like this, if I'm trying to make it look realistic, I want to follow the curve of my line. So do you see how all of my strokes of my pencil, my colored pencil, are following my marker lines? I'm going to come in with some lighter red in a couple areas. That's going to make it look more realistic too. So sometimes you want your drawing to look kind of like cartoony, and sometimes you want it to look realistic. And so it just depends on however you would like for it to look. Stem. I think I'll add a little bit of green for my stem and for my leaf. There we go. Voila. So now we've got some color added to our apple. Great job with your apple drawings, friends. I would love to see them, so please share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your apple uploaded into our Club Firefly gallery. Until next time, keep on drawing. It's just lines.